Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic to identify the roles which are not fully generated or the roles which are not having any role menu or the roles are not assigned to any of the users. So in one single shot we can identify all these roles. We will use this option to clean up the roles or before going to ECC to S4HANA migration. In many of the cases we can use this data. Ideally, if you want to get this data, we'll go to multiple tables and we'll download the data into Excel and we'll do all these things to finalize the data. But in one single shot, we can get we can get all this information. We'll see that how to do that. So let's log into the system. And the T code and the magical T code, every day we will use it on day-to-day basis. That is nothing but our PFCG. So in PFCG, we have to go to utilities and overview status. So this is the path where we have to go, overview status. And here you have to identify. Suppose in our project, we are using all Z roles. So I will take care about all the C star roles. And I'm mentioning only display roles with errors and warnings. Click on execute. It will read your entire Z roles in the system and it will give you the relevant data. You can see data selection is running. I have so many zeros in my system. That's why it is taking some time. This is very effective method to find out all these roles in one single shot. We are almost done. - 75% completed. And boom, we can see our required data here. So you can see all the roles, all the Z roles, which are having some issue. Issue means here you can see for this particular role, this role is not fully generated. You can see many of these roles are not fully generated. You can see all these roles are not generated. Not generated. But you can see here the role is fully generated. But the problem is it's not yet assigned to any of the users. So it's an idle role. So simply the role is fully generated, but it's not assigned to any of the users. So that roles also we can identify here. And you can see here, this role doesn't have any menu. So this role doesn't have any menu. This role is not fully generated, and this role is not yet assigned to any of the user as well. Simply copy that role, and we'll see that. Go to PFCG, open that role. You can see simply someone created this role. Simply they have given the role name. That's it. There's no menu. There is no authorizations. There is no user. Nothing. So we'll take one more example. So wherever you can see the yellow means that role doesn't have any T codes. It may be the Fury role. So Fury roles, in many of the cases, Fury roles doesn't have any transaction codes. So that's why it is showing as a yellow. If it is showing in the red, that means that role doesn't have any T codes in it. So let's consider this role, or this is also completely red. We will take any role which is completely red. Yeah, this role. So it doesn't have any menu, but the profile is fully generated. Maybe someone added manual authorization objects and it's assigned to user also. So let's open this role. So you can see there is no menu here. So menu is empty, some authorizations maintained, and it's also assigned to the user. So we can identify all these such roles in one single shot. This is the method. So this will be helpful to whenever you want to clean up any roles. At the time also this will be very helpful for you. Or when you're planning your system for the migration ECC to S4HANA, at that time also this will be very helpful for you. Okay. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. You will get the notification when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Take care.